we'll come to the uses of carbon dioxide. From here also a lot of observatory question may come. Number one use. Carbon dioxide is used in manufacture of soda waters. Okay, and these are like called fizzy drinks because carbon dioxide, the bubbles comes up, that is of carbon dioxide. It is used in soft drinks. Okay, so to remember, carbon dioxide is used in soda manufacture, soda water. In soft drinks also we use carbon dioxide. That much is enough. And the bubbles which comes, actually that is carbon dioxide, but it is in dissolved with your water. Next, solid carbon dioxide is known as dry ice. I have already said you. So solid carbon dioxide is known by the name dry ice, and it is used in refrigerant for preservation of food. So dry ice is known as solid carbon dioxide. It is used, okay, in refrigerant for preservation of foods. That much is enough. The next compound we can make it from carbon dioxide is baking soda. Baked foods like cake, breads, okay, contains baking soda. There are some other compounds like potassium hydrogen tartarate and starch also. Here you have to remember the formula of baking soda and sodium bicarbonate. Hydrogen is also called bi. So baking soda is also known by the name sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda is also known by the name sodium bicarbonate, students. Do remember? Okay. And it is used in making cakes and breads. Okay. Now, the next, do remember carbon dioxide is also used as fire extinguisher because it is not supporter of combustion. It tries to cut out the fire, right? So carbon dioxide use can be seen in fire extinguisher. Why? In fire extinguisher we use it because it is, why we use as fire extinguisher carbon dioxide? Answer, because it is non-combustible, non-supporter of combustion and heavier than air, so it can be used as fire extinguisher and hence it can cut out the fire. Next, in photosynthesis, you know that we exhale out carbon dioxide during respiration, whereas okay, plants takes that. So plant requires carbon dioxide for respiration, and they do take so in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. We have learned in biology. So in photosynthesis also carbon dioxide use we can see because plant intake carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight, and green pigments present in them is called chlorophyll. Okay, so that they can manufacture their food in the form of glucose. So now, as I said you that carbon dioxide is used in fire extinguisher, there are one fire extinguisher which is very popular, and that is called soda acid fire extinguisher. Okay, soda acid fire extinguisher, this is the cylinder, you can see it contains sodium bicarbonate. It contains sodium bicarbonate, you can see here it contains sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda. Along with that, it contains sulfuric acid. So as you move this button, this will get cracked, whereby from here carbon sulfuric acid comes and reacts with this. And I have said you, whenever any acid reacts with carbonate or bicarbonate, you get carbon dioxide gas will come out, and that will cut the fire. So remember that, students. So if you are in NCC, in future they will teach you how to extinguish the fire with the help of this. So do remember, soda fire extinguisher contains sodium bicarbonate, and when this comes in contact with sulfuric acid, when you open the knob, these two will react to give a carbon dioxide which will extinguish the fire. Liquid carbon dioxide fire extinguisher is also used in to fight electrical and oil fires. That much you remember, it's enough. And do remember, solid carbon dioxide is known by the name what? Dry ice. So this is all about its uses, students. So it's very important, you should remember. Now we go to the test for carbon dioxide, students. I have already said you, when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. And these two, again in these two is same out here. When you pass carbon dioxide further, milkiness disappears due to the formation of calcium bicarbonate. It is insoluble. This downward arrow means insoluble particle, but here it is not, so it is soluble. So wherever lime water means calcium hydroxide passed through carbon dioxide, lime water turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. Again, if you further pass carbon dioxide to it, milkiness disappears due to the formation of soluble sodium bicarbonate. So this is very, very important. I have said 100% sure is going to come. One question is leaked, so please learn properly. Okay. Please do learn it properly. So no need to go through the one which is given out here. Now, the next one is on burning magnesium driven in a jar of carbon dioxide. You know, it is non-supporter of combustion, so the fire will extinguish. And there will be a black deposition of carbon. I have shown you this reaction earlier. Magnesium is a reducing agent. So it removes what from here? Oxygen. So as it removes oxygen, here carbon remains, which is a black particle, and 2 Mg and 2O forms magnesium oxide. So these are the two tests, but in these two tests, the first test is more important than the second, but learn both. Okay, so this is all about page number 113, students. So in this page, we learn the uses of carbon dioxide and the test for carbon dioxide. So both are very important. So here is one observed question which we can do, students. Sodium oxide combines with carbon dioxide to give what? Will you get sodium carbonate or will you get sodium bicarbonate? So I'll show you the reaction. Sodium oxide is this, carbon dioxide is this. So when you react, what you get? Combine both of them. So you get Na2. Then you can see C is here. So I wrote that, and O 1 plus 2 will give you 3. So you get this one. So here is no H. So it's not bicarbonate. This is called sodium carbonate. So the answer for this is sodium carbonate. So by this we have solved all 5 questions from fill in the blanks so far. And we have finished all. Name the following question. There are 5, but we have finished 4. 5 no need to do out here. Okay. And from this multiple choice questions, we have finished till 4. One more to go, that we'll see later. Hope so you understood till here. Now, there are some reactions given out here, students. You can see. Okay, that we will do at the end after we complete the chapter. So for the time being, no need to do this. And even below that, there is reasoning questions. This also we will do after completing the whole video of this chapter. Okay. So students, we have finished everything is about carbon dioxide, whether it's preparation, lab or general preparation, physical property, chemical property, we have finished, uses we have finished, taste of carbon dioxide also we have finished. Lime water turns milky. Now in my next video, we'll be going to learn is about carbon monoxide, the next compound of carbon called carbon monoxide. Formula CO. And similarly, we are going to learn its preparation, first introduction, then occurrence, then we're going to learn its preparation, properties, taste, and uses. So we'll be learning the way we learn for carbon dioxide. Similarly, for carbon monoxide, we're going to learn is preparation, properties, taste, uses. After completing that, we'll solve some question answers. Then we end the chapter. So see you in my next class where I'm going to discuss about carbon monoxide. Thank you, students.